So we had a special request today, and someone has asked us to film Hamburger Joe's. Well, guess what? If you ask, we deliver. And here we go. Famous Hamburger Joe's, Surfside Beach, South Carolina. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Surfside Beach, South Carolina, right beside the Little Wings and across from Wales. Well, Hamburger Joe's is known for their famous, delicious, fat hamburgers. And why not have a hamburger on a Saturday? Let's go check it out. Bring your appetite and let's go eat some burgers. So they sat us down right here beside the bar and the grill so we can smell that delicious aroma filling up the whole entire restaurant. And as I was sitting here, you know, something caught my eye. It says, fall in love with our cocktails. So I might have to get me a fall cocktail beatbox.
What is it? Oh, wow.
Yes, yes. And so they have fall punch, sweater weather, autumn sunset, and they have a Stormin' Sailor. Do you see that? But you know what? I might try that golden apple crisp.
Heck yeah.
It has Jack Daniel's Tennessee apple, pineapple, and a splash of lemon lime soda.
You're a regular Johnny Rotten Appleseed. So Hamburger Joe's has appetizers, sandwiches, sides, salads, beverages, and of course, beer and wine.
They also have house brands, Call brands, Call Plus, and premium bottled beer.
As well as draft.
Beer on draft.
Beer on draft.
And here's a look at the kitchen, and the cooks are about there busy working. Look at that. French fries going in, and they're preparing your good old cheeseburgers. There they are on the grill with grilled onions and everything. I bet Beatbox didn't know that they have grilled onions because he definitely would have got those onions. Look at that good cheeseburger right there. And look at here. Good thing Beatbox always carries me around. Next time, bring your wife. Because we like cheeseburgers too.
And they've got these dollar bills everywhere, but here is the very first one.
You got a Joe's hint. Warning, alcohol can make members of the opposite sex appear far more attractive than they already are.
That's a warning? That's a Joe warning?
That's a Joe warning.
So here's the patio. If you're looking for a place to have your event, here's a nice room right here. Just give them a call. Super large. Now that's pretty neat. A Jack Daniel's string light.
And if you're riding by and it looks packed outside, don't worry, because they have plenty of seating inside. Pull on in and grab you a burger. And well, he might be scared, but you just keep moving on.
Lord, and she hadn't even started drinking yet.
Yep. And that's before she got her drink. You see this fireplace? I bet you it is so nice and cozy here in the wintertime. You can sit right beside the fire.
Okay, so I ordered the double cheeseburger. Of course, mine comes with slaw and chili, right?
Yes, right. And you got the double patty.
That was a double patty.
Okay.
Bunny D, what'd you get?
I decided to go with the cheeseburger, the single patty, with onions, cheese, and slaw. And I am going to actually cut mine open for y'all.
All right.
And show y'all that delicious. Look
burger.
at that.
Wow, look at that melted cheese too.
Look at that. Delicious.
That's the inside of my burger. And they have your salt and pepper and other condiments if you want to add to your meal.
And Beatbot's got some of their delicious looking french fries.
Wait. So
See
what?
these delicious french fries? And I went with the onion rings.
Tell me how they taste.
Let's see. Crisp, not too greasy. They're very good.
All right. So what is this?
This is that apple crisp. What? Golden apple. Golden apple crisp.
Golden apple crisp. It has Jack Daniel's Tennessee apple, pineapple, and a splash of lemon lime soda.
Okay, let's see what this tastes like. Very refreshing. Ooh, I do like that. You'll like it. Cheers to fall.
So for a couple of great burgers and a couple of drinks and a couple of sides, our bill comes out to $36.76.
Even come get you a famous Hamburger Joe's t-shirt. Look at there. And like we said, we're walking out, but you better get here fast. But don't forget, there's plenty of seating. Oh, that's sweet. Enter as our guest and leave as our friend. Thank you. Bye-bye. Woo, am I stuffed. I might used to fit into this dress, but that was delicious. Thanks for the recommendation. Hopefully you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and if you do come here to eat, let us know how it was. As always, keep beaching.